Hello to all your Photoshop users. If you have the Photoshop for free, please watch my video until the end. The new Photoshops or the free Photoshop I was talking about called Photopea. So this photo editing software, no need serial number. Open your browser and type photopea.com and then press enter. It's simple, you don't need to install any plugin or install any software. This Photoshop or Photopea works on browser. As soon as you click, you will see the screen. The screen or the interface exactly same as Photoshop. I don't need to explain any more things. The tools are the same location, same places. You don't need to search for anything else. You got choice of to open any format of the image, such as Photoshop image, XD, Sketch, PDF file, XCF, raw image, and more. I would say this is one of the powerful photo editing I ever saw in the market so far. I hope you enjoyed this new software as much as I do. So to open your image in Photopea, you need to go to the file and then go for open. When the window is open, and then click wherever your photo is saved. Choose your photo and then open. Your image will open on the Photopea. It's that simple. Also, when you open your image, you can do all the adjustment in here. For example, if you want to do all the adjustments like a level, curve, brightness and contrast, exposure, brightness and contrast, level, curve, exposure, and so on. It's so simple. And also the shortcuts are the same. You can either, to duplicate your background, you can either drag and drop it to the new layer, make a copy of your layer, or you can hold your Command J and it gives you a copy of your background. This is a free version of the Photopea. The big difference between the free version and the paid one, I believe, it would be the banner on your right side, which shows the advertising. And if you want to pay, you will get rid of this banner. I said I'll work only for 1 day and I'll check all the tools. All the tools so far works for me. A couple of tips: when you add your hue saturation or any particular adjustment you use from these sections, when there is any windows pop up like that or adjustment window, for closing this adjustment window in Photoshop, we got a small X in here. In here we don't have a small X. So how we close this window? You need to come here and click on those arrows, left and right arrows. Done. And those left and right arrows, or you can give you the like a full view of your space, or you can close all the tools as well. For example, that. So in this section, I'm going to show you a very simple way how do I retouch or softening skin on my image. How I used to do on Photoshop. I would like to try it in here and see how it works. Hopefully it works the same way. I'll go to open my image. I'll go to the file and click open and choose my image, any image, and then I start working in here. So as you can see, all the tools are set up exactly same as Photoshop. For duplicating your image, you can drag drop it on the new layer. It gives you the background copy, or you can press Command J. Normally I press Command J. It works in here as well. So in this section, I'm going to use the clone tool for you guys. I'm pretty sure everybody knows how to use it. Just you guys pick the clone tool. Make sure you increase your image and you can see things properly. What we do with the clone tool, we take the good pixel from the image and we clone it in a bad part of the image. It's so simple. Just make sure you click on the sample of the good image. Do how you do it, and then you take the sample from the good area by pressing Alt key or Option key, and then remove your hand and start cloning. So before I use my clone tool, normally I adjust the opacity a little bit to be a little bit matched with my image. Normally to retouch my image I use the new layer, but this time I'd rather to work on the copy of my image. I'll show you after before the image as well. This is after, this is before. You can see the difference. There is another tools I would like to show you guys in here as well, which is healing brush tool or the patch tool. I go for the patch tool, as same concept. You just choose the area you want, and then you can replace it with a better pixel in here and release and Command D, and that's it. Another techniques I would like to show you guys is about removing red eye from photography. You go to your file again and open new document, or open your image, find your image for the red eye. When you choose your image, just click OK. Your image open on Photopea, and press Z to use zoom tool, and you can zoom on your image. Go for red eye tool, or shortcut is J. Click. You need to increase the size of your brush, same as the size of this red eye as well. We said mine is just perfect. Cool. I'll duplicate this image in case, just to show you after before. Command J. So the only things you guys need to do, just come to the red eye, one click, you see it's changed, and another one, done, voila. And I'll show you before and after. As you can see, the red eye is gone. And that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you think this video was informative and helpful, please smash the like button and share this video with your friends. And of course, if you want more video like this, subscribe to my channel. Till next tutorial, stay positive and be creative.